Hey pretty people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this unit, and you guys love when I just do a walkthrough of my hair videos, so I had to bring you guys another one. This unit is from Shein. It's a 13x4, I believe 28-inch wig. Pre-plucked hairline. The lace is a little bit white, but I did not bleach it, and I feel like it melted really well. Although I did go in and pluck a little bit more just to make it look more realistic, but honestly you don't have to. First things first, you know you go in with your glue. Personally, I still feel like I use too much glue because I have so much left over on the rat tail comb, so definitely do less than I do, but I go in with about 4 layers and I make sure each time it dries clear. And then I go ahead and put makeup on the lace, and if you can see, it's like white, but also it melts really well. It's not thick. Also, the knots on this wig was not large at all, and it might be because of the color of the wig that also helped it blend the way that it did. Another thing I noticed is the wig isn't extremely big head friendly. Like, my head is kind of big, but I feel like this wig definitely fits. But if your head is bigger than mine, you might have a little problem. In the back of my nape area, I feel like it wasn't all the way under. It was kind of a little bit above my little lock ponytail that I had underneath here. But it does come with the band inside, so it helps with that extra support. I do all of my wig installs kind of the same. This specific one was very easy because it's curly. Once I lay everything down, I liked it to set for as long as possible, so I style my hair while it's sitting. And I just go in with the hot comb. I use a wax stick and I just make the top very flat. I think the key to making a flat install is taking your time and sectioning out your hair piece by piece, putting a wax stick on there, and then hot combing it. Also, with curly hair, I like to brush it out because I feel like the curls pop more versus when you just spray water on it. That's pretty much what I do the entire time. Also, while I was filming this, I was filming a video which is already up on YouTube if you want to go see it, so that's why I was talking. So I believe this whole process probably took me like 30 to 45 minutes because I was talking, so my lace had a lot of time to just sit there and literally dry. After doing all of that, I was styling my hair. I decided I wanted to do a middle part, but I ended up changing it. I feel like middle parts aren't really for me. I don't know why. I feel like I have to get it done professionally or it's like never in the middle. And I plucked too much. As you can see, it looks like a bald spot, so I ended up doing a side part anyway. I love me a side part, but yeah, I do that, and then I start to work on my edges. Lately with my edges, I like to keep it very simple, especially for my side part. You only have to pretty much do 2 edges, but I do it on both sides depending on my style. And I just cuff it in a U. The only products I use for my edges is mousse and spritz. I like that it has a great hold, but also it doesn't like stick to my face or make it look crunchy. This is really cool if you like fluffy edges or anything like that. I suggest you use those. Other than that, I feel like the edge tutorial type of thing is very explanatory. As you can see how that lace is laid. Like, do you see that? Yeah, I get it done. If you guys want to know how I get my lace to like really stick like that, even with like white lace wigs, kind of like this one, let me know because I can make a very detailed video. I feel like my key is just melting the wig 3 times. Yes, 3 times. Okay, it takes time, but it's all worth it. My wig installs last no less than 2 weeks. Like, I could go a month with the wig. I definitely could. I just can't because like my skin will break out, but it stays on, okay? Also, yes, I do curl my edges, but I don't always. If they're a little bit longer, I curl them, but if they're really short and I have like multiple, there's really no need to because I want them to just stick down. But for that fluffy look, I do like to curl them. I need to get like a very small barrel type of curling iron. That would be 10 times better. But as of right now, that's all I have. So it doesn't really do what I needed to do, but it gets the job done. You know what I mean? And also, after I do my edges, I just go in with water and mousse for my curls and I brush it out. I didn't really show that process. I kind of just moved on, but yeah, that's really it. And I like to use a wig brush. I really don't use dim brushes unless it's a textured type of curly wig, I feel like it works better. But for loose wave wigs like this one, I like to use just a wig brush instead of a dim brush. I don't know why. I think it just gives more of the look that I'm going for, but you guys will see the results at the end. I hope you guys enjoy the final results. And just like that, this is how the hair turned out. Super cute, super laid. You would never had imagined that the lace was white like that, for sure. But it came out so cute, and I just love the curls. Definitely true to length. I love this color on me, and I definitely highly suggest going to get this wig. It's such a great price for such great quality. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!